thank you. Whoa, bro, I bring this on you. Yo, check this specification.
Oh.
Very good. We open it and check. For antennas. Yes, open.
Yeah.
Is it good?
Good, yes, good.
Very good. We show to our customer. Blazing fiber meets Wi-Fi 6, perfect 4K and VR experience. Connect everything. Smart touch for 50 plus devices. Game like a pro, zero lag with interference cancelling.
Oh, this speed, my old router needs to retire.
Brother, let us find out this Wi-Fi 6 on your router, okay?
Okay.
First, you open our store, our Alibaba store, and then find the products, then find the on your channel. The first AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 on you, and clean it. Yes, you will find it. Very clear. You can find the item which you are interested, and we can change the price here.
Oh, such good value.
Yeah.
Send me the link.
Okay.